Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with this go-to makeup routine that I follow in this monsoon season, and to some extent it is water resistant and it can be created with minimum makeup products, and it's all up to you whether you want to add something to this look or want to skip anything. But I follow it, and I'll give you some tips to keep this look for a longer period of time in this season. So please keep on watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that is Love from Polami. And okay, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I use very minimum makeup on daily basis. Before starting, I just wanted to mention that it is my bare face with no makeup on. For my base makeup, I prefer to add this moisturizing gel with this Stay Matte foundation from Clinique. The mixture of these two works better than using each product individually, as the mixture absorbs into the skin well and stays for long. I have oily acne prone skin, so I use it this way, but if you have dry skin, then you can add your favorite serum with it and apply the mixture all over your face. While choosing the makeup products for monsoon, you always have to keep it in mind that every product you use has to be water resistant or waterproof or should be long wearing. Otherwise, the product will melt away easily. So this is the trick you can follow while creating your base makeup. This mixture of moisturizer and foundation will absorb into the skin easily and won't look cakey at all. As I am not using any concealer, I will apply this mixture on the eyelid also to cover any darkness around the eye. After applying it all over the face, you shouldn't forget applying it on the neck area. The application must be even and should feel like nothing heavy made up on your skin. You can always reapply a second coat of this makeup wherever needed. As I have a few acne scars and darkness around my mouth, I reapplied it there to conceal those dark spots and redness. Here completes my base makeup. Now to fix everything in place, you must apply a setting powder of your choice. Today I am using Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. You just need a very small amount of powder, and please don't overdo it. It will not give you any coverage. It is only for fixing up your base makeup in place. If you have oily skin like me, you should apply powder all over the face and neck area. But if you have dry skin, I would suggest you to powder only the areas you reapplied your makeup. Otherwise, if you have an oily T-zone, then apply powder only to that particular area. Let's go for the eye makeup. Let me zoom in a bit. The eyeliner I am using today is Plum Kohl Kajal. It is a waterproof and smudge-proof one, so it is perfect for the season. You need not be too perfect this time. Just try to be close to your lash line and just follow it, and then use your finger for a smudged up look. Yes, this way you can follow your lash line and go for it. Try to achieve the same with the other eye, and here it is. Today I am using the Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. Mascara is something that makes your eyes feel awake. It really makes a huge difference to your look. You should definitely try it at least once to check it for yourself. And I'm applying it on my lower lashes also, and just apply as many coats as you want to achieve your desired look. Applying mascara or eyeliner, if anything goes wrong like this, Q-tip is the very easy solution to solve it. Just like this, you can easily get rid of it. Just do the same to the other eye until you are satisfied with the whole eye makeup. Here it completes. Now comes my favorite part, that is lipstick. To make it stay longer, always use a matte lipstick. Today I am using MAC Retro Matte Lipstick Flat Out Fabulous. This is one of my favorites. It's a purple lipstick which can always stand out and can uplift your mood even in a gloomy weather. But it's your personal preference whether you want to go for a bright lipstick like this or go for a nude one. This is my final look, which can easily be recreated even when you were in a rush or hurry. I think makeup is something that is not only for making you look good or gorgeous, but it also boosts up your confidence. So, friends, just be happy and love yourself. Uh, don't think of any imperfection you have, because nobody is perfect in this world. So, just love yourself and do whatever that makes you feel happy. So stay happy and stay blessed always.